How's it going, everyone? Bane here, and welcome to video 22 of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a likes campaign so we can season our ad account. And like I said in the last video, the only reason we really need to season our ad account is just to spend a little bit of money with Facebook, so then we can open more ad accounts just in case the first one gets shut down. That's really all we want to do. That's all we're really looking at doing. And a like campaign is the easiest way to do that, and it's just really to get more likes to your Facebook page. But we want to spend around about $75 before we can open more ad accounts, sometimes more, sometimes less. You'll have to just check on your account. But yeah, let's just jump into it. And before we do, if you're following along all these videos, you've watched all my videos, you're liking the content, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. So yeah, let's jump into it. So this is what your ad account might look like. To find this page, scroll over to the Ads Manager button, click the Ads Manager. You'll end up with a page that looks like this. So to create a simple likes campaign, just come over here to the green button, hit create, and we want to go down to engagement, and then we want to scroll down to likes, and then just continue. So simply just name it page likes, something simple. All this can all stay as is, don't touch anything. This is the ad set level now. That first level was the campaign level. Now we're on the ad set level. Again, page likes. Obviously just pick the page that you want to run, which is the page you probably created the other day. Your daily budget, whatever you can, like I've mentioned marketing budgets before, you want to just set a budget that you can comfortably afford every single day for months and not have it break the bank. So I recommend starting on something like $10 a day. And like I said, this only needs to run for, at least $75 before you can open more ad accounts. But then even after that, I would recommend just like once you open more ad accounts, drop it down to like $1 a day and run it for another week or something like that. Just so in the meantime, then you can create more ads. But start at $10 a day. If you can afford $20, $30 a day, do that. Spend it for 2 or 3 days, whatever it takes to get to that $75, and then you can open more ad accounts. Start time, I'm just gonna leave that as is because you can start it straight away if you like. Come down to your custom audiences. Don't worry about the custom audiences. Obviously, pick the country you're working in, age. Depending on whatever product you're selling, keep it in the ad range. Obviously, the interest of whatever the people that might be buying your product is. So this I'm using Baby Sleep Magic as my example here. So people who are interested in this product are parents. So you just type in parents. Sometimes it takes a bit of a while to load. And we go after young parents, parents with younger children, and you want a decent audience size. You don't want 74,000. You want a bigger audience size. So just keep going. Parents 1 to 2 years. Baby shop's a good one. 400,000. That's going to be enough because we're only going to spend $10 a day, and our $10 a day is only going to get our ad to maybe 2,000 people a day. So 400,000 is more than enough. Come down here. You can exclude people that have liked your page because you don't want to show them people another ad. But to be honest, if you're starting out brand new, there's probably no likes on your page anyway, so that's all good. Convert connection before publishing. Yeah, we want to do that. Yep, if it comes up with that option, that's a new one. Just click OK because that's a pretty cool option. And what that is pretty much just saying anyone who likes your page, Facebook will turn that into a custom audience, which is pretty cool. So if that little warning comes up, just accept it. Leave this as automatic. Don't need to touch any of this. So now we're going, this is the ad set level done. We just want to go over to the ad level. And I've been through all this in previous videos. Again, just name it at the top. You want to keep the text basic. It might pre-fill a photo. You know, you can do that. And what you do is you just add a photo, either from one you can upload yourself, one from your account or your page or something like that. I want to use something very basic that's not going to get flagged for any reason, and this one here is perfect. You want to write something very basic that's not going to get you flagged. Say something like, stay up to date with the latest baby tips and advice. Something very simple. You don't want to say, hey, come and follow my page, because that is against Facebook's policy, so you can't do that. So keep it something very generic, very easy. We don't want this ad being flagged for any reason whatsoever. We just want it approved. We just want to spend money on it so we can open more ad accounts. So very basically, yeah, come down here, make sure your website events are ticked and stuff like that. All this sort of will be just, you know, it should already be ticked, but just check it. So like I said, keep it very basic. It's going to come up here with, you know, the name of your page and a little intro of what it says on your About Me section. So if your About Me section says something that might flag Facebook, it might say, hey, get rich quick or something. I don't know, whatever your About section says. If it says something that might be a red flag, you might want to change it, because it could get your ad denied, and you just don't want that. You want this ad to be approved. You want to spend $75. You want to go open more ad accounts, and that's really all we're doing with this ad. You don't even care if it gets likes or anything like that. Honestly, it's just about spending that $75. So that's it for this video, guys. Once you've done this, and then you won't, in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create more ad accounts. I have shown you how to do it in the past, but I'm just going to go over it again. And you can't create those more ad accounts until you've spent $50 to $75 to $100. So feel free to start this ad, watch the next video, watch the videos after that, and then once you do spend $75, come back and make sure you open those ad accounts. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, make sure obviously you come down here and you hit publish, and it turns on. It will go into review for maybe 12 hours, maybe 24 hours on the first one, maybe 4 hours. It's all over the place sometimes, but yeah, it will come up once you hit publish. It will come up in this section, and it will say all these are active. It will say in review, and it might, like I said, it might sit in review for a couple of hours before it approves it and then goes active. So if it comes up denied, then obviously you'll have to change something. But if you keep it very basic, like I just showed you, it should get approved, no worries. So yeah, like I said, that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one where we'll create more ad accounts.